Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Ayun guys, so good morning, no? Nandito naman tayo ulit sa panibago natin trip, Bugs Bunny here. Ayan, so nandito kami ngayon sa Han, pero mag-check-in kami dito sa Widas. Sira kasi yung parking nila ngayon, kaya dito kami pinag-check-in dito sa may Han. So tapat lang naman siya guys. Ayan, so ngayon pupunta ako dun sa may taas para tumagos papuntang Widas. Ayun, so tara, samahan niyo ako. Maglibot tayo guys.
Here it is, guys. I'm now at the Han Casino. This is actually the Han Casino, so you definitely pass by it on your way to Widas Hotel. And I'm about to head to the other building because Widas Hotel is located there. I made a mistake here, guys. I actually went outside the building, but there's actually a way to Widas Hotel without going outside. There's a connection walkway. You see the glass on the side? That's the walkway to Widas Hotel. It's better to go through there instead of doing what I did. It's really hot outside, especially now that it's March and summer it's just around the corner. This is the Han Casino. It's silver in color, while Widas Hotel is orange.
Dumating na tayo. Ito na yung ating room. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Yan ang ating room. 305 Tower 1. So, titignan natin guys kung ano itsura ng Tower 1. 305. Ayan. So, let's go.
This is the way to Tower 1, located on the right side of the lobby. You'll also find the Salt Restaurant here. Now, let's just follow the walkway and take the elevator up to our room.
So, 305. Ay, 305. Yeah! Ayun, may number naman sa gilid. Kaya makikita talaga. Thank you! And then, ayan guys. So, ito ang ating room. Tingnan natin ang ating room. Wow!
Yun guys, no, mapapawaw ka talaga, no. Pag nakita mo to in person, grabe ang ganda. Tapos meron pa ditong, ayan, microwave, magandang rep. Ayan, medyo malaki siya. Lababo, tapos ito, table, and then 50 inches na TV, may magandang table. Ayan, tapos king size bed. Tapos meron pang ano tawag nito, sofa. Solid. Tapos may malaking salamin dito. Grabe, ganda.
So, eto guys, titingnan natin yung ano, yung view. Tingnan niyo ah. Kung ano yung nakuha nating room. Wow. Uy, tapat ng pool. Tara, mag-swimming na tayo. Wow. Nice. Ang ganda. Nakita yung pool. Ayan guys, oh. Okay na rin. At least gusto ko ngayon nakaharap sa pool eh. Ayun, galing.
What's amusing about our room is that both of our windows have a view of the pool, which makes us even happier. The view is amazing, guys. Remember our room number 305.
Ayun, so dito na lang muna tayo. Ito na yung, ay, hindi pa pala tayo tapos. Mayroon pa pala tayong CR. So, ito guys yung CR. Pakita sa inyo yung CR. Wow. Para sa akin na yung nakikita nyo, sobrang linis niya. Sobrang ganda. For me. Okay siya sa akin. 5 star. May soap. May shampoo. Body way lotion pala. And tapos shower cap, vanity kit, dental kit, shaving kit. Okay, buong baso. And then meron siyang pa-zoom. Yan. Zoom something. Wow. 2 towels. And then para sa floor, ano yan? Para dito yan sa floor. And then merong magandang iwalay ang shower. Laki ah. Laki ng shower niya guys. And then maganda. May maliit na shampoo. Ganito siya kaliit. So, ganito. Ayan. Yan siya sa kalaki. And then, eto. Soap. Again. So, dalawa yung soap na free. And then, meron pa lang ano sa ilalim. Yun.
Ready to go swimming?
Hey guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa swimming pool. Ayan. Makikita nyo ngayon ang swimming pool dito guys. Nandun na yung anak ko. Ayun, nagsiswimming na siya. So, ito ang Widas. At may ginagawa pang hotel sa kabila. Nice. Ganda oh. Sarap maligo. May slide.
Alright guys, I wasn't able to record everything that happened, so let's just start fresh tomorrow morning with breakfast. I'll show you all delicious food at Widas Hotel.
Uy, broccoli guys. Maganda pala pag nauuna kasi mas maraming food. No. Konti lang. Konti-konti lang. And bacon. Sausage, chicken longganisa, mixed veggies. Oh, and congee. Congee pala. Hindi pala siya congee. Congee. And then, one is salad. Kimchi. Pakimchi. Pakimchi. Yan. Hindi ko masarap. Pakimchi daw guys.
Alright guys, now we're going to take a walk through the area we didn't explore yesterday. This is the connection walkway. And along the way, you'll find a coffee shop called Urban Coffee. It's a great hangout spot, especially for all the coffee lovers out there. I think this is the Marriott Hotel, guys. This looks like their lobby. And this is the pathway leading to the parking area of Han Hotel. Just go straight and turn right. Ayun guys, so ayun lang no. Ito na yung kwarto. So nakakain na rin naman tayo kanina. Ayan, so ayun lang ang aking report dito sa may Widas Hotel. So sulit na sulit yung pera mo dito. Yun lang ang advice ko sa'yo. Mag-check-in ka na. Please subscribe to my channel guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Yung nasa baba, libre lang yan. Walang bayad. So tara, see you at the next one. Bye!
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when